2009 Toyota Venza front brakes. Hey, how you doing, guys? Welcome back. Asus back at it. I hope you like this video. I hope you enjoy. And this was how to do the front brakes in 2009 Toyota Venza. Yeah, alright. You know, at the end of the installation, you gotta step on the brake pedal a few times. The first time it's gonna be a little bit spongy, it's gonna be a little bit soft, then it's gonna get hard, and after that, you know, go to the front, to the engine compartment, open the hood, and look for the brake reservoir, brake fluid reservoir. Check the level of the brake fluid, and if you need some more, just top it off and close the hood and road test it, and try to hear for any type of noise, alright, scratch, noise, or whatever. And if you don't hear anything, then that's pretty much it. You're good to go. Alright, that means you got the job done. Other than that, shout outs to my subscribers. Alright, thank you for the love, thank you for the support, and please don't forget to shoot the out of the subscribe button. Do the same with the shoot the out of the like button. Do the same with the share button. And the feedback, put it in the comment box for me. Let me know what you think about this Toyota Venza. Alright, Venza. I don't know how, but know what I'm saying. I'm just gonna leave it right here, and I hope you like this video. I'll catch you in the next one. I'm Maudi. I'm clacking out. Oh,